Hey guys, Greg here, Bone Tactical. Wanted to share with you a little bit about today's EDC gear, which is the real Gray Man Theory EDC. We have the Gray Man Operations Pack. I have all my 72-hour emergency survival kit in here and everything that I might need if I had to go off grid, let's say. Got what I consider to be, based off of my experience and the times that I've had to use my survival, escape, and evasion skills in the real world to build this ultimate survival kit that I sell and put together, best value out there, as well as my clothing line and all of the items that I recommend for use in the real Gray Man Theory. We'll give some special shout outs here. Lem's shoes, best comfortable pair of walking shoes I've had in a long time. NPE Ghost, all right, you guys know about that. Today's bone breaker is actually the bone opener. Very clandestine, bronze bottle opener. Keychain, multi-tool. El Sicario covert concealed carry shirt, long sleeve in case I want to hide the tattoos, but also ready to party should the occasion arise. Thanks for watching. Bone out.